Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Janelle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my wash and goes. So I posted this picture right here on my Instagram, on Facebook or whatever, and I had a lot of people like inboxing me asking me how I got my hair like that, what products I use. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. So yeah, I just washed my hair. So yeah, I wash my hair in I wash my hair in 4 sections usually. So yeah, right now my hair is just pinned up, still wet, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and just start doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna take this down, and it's still pretty wet because I didn't. I just put it back in the clip after I was done conditioning it. So yeah, I usually like my hair to be pretty wet when I do my wash and goes because it helps. Clip that back up. Okay. I'm gonna spray just a tad bit of water just on my roots, just a little bit. Okay. Now today I'm gonna be using, the first time that I did my like a successful wash and go, my hair was dirty and I just took it out of like I had my hair in braids and I just took them out and I just put some Eco Styler gel on it. I wet it and put Eco Styler gel on it, and literally that's all I did. So like, if I could do that when my hair's dirty and I ain't really tried, like, let me try it with this. So now I use the Shea Moisture curl enhancing smoothie, and it smells really good. So I'm gonna just slap my hand in there, and I'm gonna just put that on there. And ooh, so I use this as my leave-in conditioner. Sorry, I'm gonna be looking in my mirror over here so I can see what the hell I'm doing. But yeah, I just basically, I usually do this in the bathroom, but for the sake of the video, you know, I'm gonna sit right here and do it. So I basically just rake it through, and I am pretty generous with the amount of curl enhancing smoothie that I use. I slap it in there. I want my hair to be coated. So yeah, just basically run my fingers through it like that, okay? And yeah, that's what my curls look like, just with the curl enhancing smoothie. Okay, now I'm gonna go with my Eco Styler gel, and pretty generous with that too. I don't know if y'all can see that. Pretty generous with that as well. Generous with everything that I use in my hair. I'm just gonna basically just rake it through my hair. That's all I do. And then when the gel, honestly, when the gel gets in there, it makes your hair feel a little like stiff, hard. I don't know how to explain it, but it has this weird thing where it's not that easy to run your fingers through there. Now I'm gonna move on to the next section. Okay, so this is what the finished, well, not really, it's finished, but it has to dry, because as you can see, I have all the bunch of white residue in my hair. So yeah, once it dries, the whiteness will disappear and my hair will shrink some more because shrinkage is real. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I love wash and goes like on the first day. After that, after you sleep on it and everything, it's like, and then I just put it up in a bun. Like, yeah, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's dry. Okay, so I'll see you then.